Hello, good morning everyone. I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss JEE Mains 16th March 2021 Shift 1 question with solutions. Now see the first question what they are given. Number of solutions of equation 81 power sine square x plus 81 power cos square x is equal to 30 in closed interval 0 comma pi. So here sine square x, cos square x terms are there. So one is convert into either sine or cos. So I am going to take let 81 power sine square x or convert into cos square x, no problem. 81 power cos square x is equal to, take t, substitute here. This is 81 power 1 minus cos square x plus 81 power cos square x, that is equal to 30. Now here we are getting 81 divided by 81 power cos square x plus 81 power cos square x, that is equal to 30. So in place of 81 power cos square x, substitute t. 81 divided by t plus t, that is equal to 30. Now take the cross multiplication. Overall you will get quadratic equation like this: t square minus 30t plus 81 is equal to 0. So this is t minus 3 into t minus 27, that is equal to 0. So t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 27. So here 81 power cos square x, I am writing 81 means 3 power 4. 3 power 4 cos square x, that is equal to t. So what is t value? 3 now. Now here we can write 3 power 4 cos square x, that is equal to 3. 3 means there is 3 power 1. Here 3 power 4 cos square x, that is equal to 3 cube. Now bases are equal, power should be equate. Then we get cos square x value is 1 by 4. Then what is cos x? Cos x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. And here 4 cos square x is equal to 3. Cos square x is equal to 3 by 4. Cos x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So observe here 0 to pi. This is 0, this is pi, 180 degrees. So in first quadrant both are positive, and in second quadrant cos negative or not. So this is one solution, this is another, this is one more. Total, how many number of solutions possible? Number of solutions, that is equal to 4. Third option correct. This is a very easy question. I think all of you understood now. Still now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Okay. Next, I am going to another question. Now, second question. This is a matrix related problem. If A is equal to iota minus iota minus iota iota, 2 by 2 matrix given, and A power 8 into xy that is equal to 864. Then the equation has, first here a is equal to, take I common, then remaining what is there? 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Find a square. A square means what? A into a now. I into I square, we get minus 1. And do the two matrices multiplication. Finally, you will get answer minus 2, 2, 2, minus 2. Now I am going to find a power 4. A power 4 means what? A square into a square. Do the multiplication. Finally, you'll get 8 minus 8 minus 8, 8. Then what is a power 8? A power 8 means a power 4 into a power 4. A power 4 already we know that. Multiply both the matrix. So we get answer like this. 128 minus 128 minus 128, 128. This is a power 8. Now see that a power 8 into xy, that is equal to 864. So substitute here 128 minus 128, or take 128 common also, then calculate, no problem. Okay, 128 into xy, that is equal to 864. Okay, then take 128 common and multiply both the matrix. What we get here, x minus y, x minus y. Next, minus x plus y, that is equal to 864. Now comparing the corresponding elements, one we get x minus y is equal to 8 by 128. Another one is minus x plus y is equal to 64 by 128. That is x minus y is equal to minus 64 by 128. Here observe that two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. X, y coefficients are same or not? So how many number of solutions have both the equation? No solution. If two lines are parallel, we can't get the solution. No solution. This is the answer. See the options, what they are given, no solution. Fourth option, correct. Okay. Now I am going to third question. These type of models repeatedly they are giving. How to do that? Substitute the limit. And here, limit value already given. Finite, not infinite. Okay. So if you are substituted limit, numerator is, you'll get finite. So numerator, what we get? A minus b plus c cos 0, 1. A minus b plus c is equal to 0. This is one equation. Now do the L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. And here denominator, we can do like this. Square by x. These values should be 1 or not. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. It is 1 or not. So remaining terms, apply the L'Hospital rule. A into e power x differentiation, e power x cos x differentiation minus sin x, e power minus x derivative minus c into e power minus x. And denominator only x square is there. Apply the differentiation, we get 2x. That is equal to 2. Then apply the limit. Answer is finite value. So you will get a minus c, that is equal to 0. That means a is equal to c. This is another condition, second one. Again apply the L'Hospital rule. Then what happens? Limit x tends to 0. Numerator we get a into e power x plus b into cos x plus c into e power minus x divided by 2. That is equal to 2. Now apply the limit. Numerator we will get a plus b plus c. Denominator 2, that is equal to 2. But we need to find only a plus b plus c. That means a plus b plus c value 4. If you are done, if you are applied 2 times L'Hospital rule, then apply the limit. Directly you can get the answer. Okay, right. I'm going to another question. 3 distinct normals are drawn from the point a comma 0 to the parabola y square is equal to x. The range of a is, so y square is equal to 4ax. This is, and this is axis. Here take one point. For suppose this is h comma 0 and draw the normals passing through this point. Then what is the condition here? H is greater than 2a, which is greater than 2a. When the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. But in the question, h value, h comma 0, instead of h comma 0, a comma 0. That means take h is equal to a. And the parabola given y square is equal to 2x. Okay, 4a value is 2. Then a value is 1 by 2. Substitute in this condition. H means a greater than 2 into what is a? A value is 1 by 2. Now it is a greater than 1. Then what is a belongs to? Open interval 1 comma infinite. This is range of a. This is a very easy question. Whenever you know this condition, then you will get within fraction of seconds. Okay, second option correct. Next, fifth question. If sum of diagonals of A into A transpose is 9, where A is 3 by 3 matrix with elements 0, 1, 2, 3, find a number of such matrices. Same type of question in February month also given. Instead of 9, I think they are given 7 or 11. Okay, so this is also a very important model. How to do that? First, take one matrix. Assume the matrix 3 by 3 matrix. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is matrix A. But what is A into A transpose? A into A transpose. See? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then what is A transpose? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now do the multiplication. We don't want all elements. What they are given here? Sum of diagonals of A into A transpose is 9 given. Now here, multiply these two, we get A square plus B square plus C square. This is the first element. Remaining two no need. Now this is also no need. Multiply these two. Here you will get D square plus E square plus F square. This is also no need, no need, no need. Here, G square plus H square plus I square. This is A into A transpose. Now, sum of principal diagonal elements, how much given? 9. So that means A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E square plus F square, G square plus H square plus I square value. The sum of these values is 9. But here elements given 0, 1, 2, 3. Any element we can take, no problem. But suppose, see here, sum 9 when it is possible, one of the element is 3. So 3 square, it is 9 now. Remaining all elements, we can take 0. Total, how many elements are there here? 9 elements. This sum is 9. Next, 2 square, 4. Again 2 square, 4, 1 square. Remaining elements take zeros. Their sum is 9. AB, A to I, there are 9 elements. Each element take 1, 1 square, 1 square, and so on. The last one also take 1 square. Their sum is 9. Okay. What they are asking here, how many number of such matrices possible? One of the element is 3, then other elements are 0 means what we get total 9 elements can be arranged in 9 factorial divided by 8 zeros similar by 8 factorial. And second one, 9 factorial divided by 2 2's, 6 zeros, 6 factorial. Third one, all 9's only, 9 factorial by 9 factorial. It is equal to 1. Now calculate this, 9 factorial by 8 factorial, that is 9. The last one is 1. 9 factorial, 9, 8, 7, next 6 factorial. And denominator 2 into 6 factorial. These two cancel. 2 4s are 28 into 9. How much? 252. 252. Overall, how much we get? 252. Total sum is, I think, 262. 262 matrices are possible. Okay. So this type of model already given in February month. Okay. Right. I'm going to another question. If A, B, C are 3 numbers where B is equal to A plus C and the standard deviation of A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2 is D, then which of the following statement is true? Standard deviation of ABC is equal to standard deviation of A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2. The origin is changed. There is no change in standard deviation. Now I am going to find standard deviation of ABC. SD of A comma B comma C already given. How much? That is D. Now variance of ABC, that is equal to D square. How to find the variance? 1 by 3 into sigma. So these terms, A square plus B square plus C square minus mean square. What is the mean here? A plus B plus C by 3 whole square. That is equal to D. Students, what is the LCM? 9 now. Take 9 common and send to right hand side. Here you will get 3 into a square plus b square plus c square minus. Here already given a plus c is equal to b plus b. Here we get 2b. That is equal to 9d square. Here square. 2b square means 4b square. Now we get 3a square plus 3c square. 3b square minus 4b square minus b square. That is equal to 9d square. Okay. B square send right hand side. 9d square send left hand side. Overall we get b square is equal to 3 take common a square plus c square minus 9d square. 9d square or 9d square is equal to 3a square plus 3c square minus b square. We got answer here only. No need this step. Okay. This is a very easy question. Standard deviation of ABC, standard deviation of a plus 2b plus 2c plus 2 is same. Yes or no? So if you know that concept, then you'll get answer very easy. Right, I'm going to another question. See this, indefinite integration. First, we need to find summation. This is how to convert. That is equal to 2 by n sigma, what we can write, f of r by n, where r is equal to 1 to infinite. This is, we can write another way, 2 sigma r is equal to 1 to infinite 1 by n f of r by n. This is how to write, students. 2 into integration 0 to 1 f of x dx or not. Okay, already given here f of x value. Now find 2 integration 0 to 1 f of x means logarithm of 1 plus tan pi x by 4 to the base 2 into dt. So here let pi x by 4, that is equal to t. If x is equal to 1, then what is t value? T value is pi by 4. X is equal to 0, then t value is 0. Those values substitute there. Now 2 integration 0 to 1 logarithm of 1 plus tan t to the base 2 and dt. What is dt here? This is not dt, dx, sorry, dx. Dx means how much? 4 by pi into dt. Yes, 4 by pi into dt. Here we know that integration 0 to 1 logarithm of 1 plus tan t. No, here t, what is t? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus t dt. What is the answer? Pi by 8 log 2. This is the answer of standard question. Okay, apply this directly. 2 4s are 8. 8 by pi into pi by 8 logarithm 2, but here base 2. Log 2 base to 1, 8 by pi into pi by 8. That value should be 1. Finally, answer is 1. Okay. If dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x, y of pi by 3 is equal to 0, then maximum value of function. This is linear equation. Okay, first find integrating factor. Integrating factor that is equal to e power integration p dx, that is 2 tan x dx. To take outside, integration tan x log secant x to send to power, we get overall to the base secant square x or not. Now write the solution, y into integrating factor secant square x is equal to integration secant square x into sin x dx. Secant square x means how to write secant x into secant x. Secant x 1 by cos x. This is overall secant x tan x. Secant x tan x dx. Now apply that integration secant x tan x. Secant x plus c y into secant square x. Secant square x. But here observe that y of pi by 3 is equal to 0 given. That means x value is pi by 3 and y value is 0. That is the meaning of that. Substitute here 0 into secant square pi by 3. This is equal to secant pi by 3 plus c. Now here we get 0 is equal to secant pi by 3, secant 62 plus c. What is c value finally? Minus 2. Now substitute in that equation. We get like this, y into secant square x means 1 by cos square x. Secant x means 1 by cos x. C value minus 2. Take LCM or cos square x and right hand side. We get cos square x by cos x. That is cos x minus 2 into cos square x. Okay. So here take minus 2 common. Then we get like this, cos square x minus 1 by 2 cos x. This is convert into perfect square. What we get? Cos square x minus 2 into 1 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16. Now this is minus 2 into cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16. Multiply with minus 2, minus into minus plus, we get 1 by 8 minus 2 into cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is, here we need to find maximum value. Maximum value. We know that cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square value, it is lies between 0 to 1 or not. In front of this minus 2 is there. Multiply with minus 2. 0 greater than or equal to minus 2 cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square greater than or equal to what? Minus 2. Adding on both sides 1 by 8. So here 1 by 8 greater than or equal to 1 by 8 minus 2 into cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square is greater than or equal to 1 by 8 minus 2. 1 by 8 minus 2 value how much? Minus 15 by 8. Out of this, which is maximum? Maximum is 1 by 8. Minimum is minus 15 by 8. So maximum value that is equal to 1 by 8. This is the answer. So here they didn't given options. I think this is memory based questions now. That's why they didn't written options. Okay. I think all of you understood now. This is a differential equation related problem. Number of irrational terms in 5 power 1 by 4 plus 3 power 1 by 8 whole power 60 is n. Then which of the following is a factor of n minus 1? So here 1 by 4, 1 by 8. 4 and 8, observe that 4 and 8, one of the factor of 60. Some out of 4 and 8, observe that one is factor of 60. Okay. So in that case, how to find number of rational term? Rational term is equal to, this is the formula, 60 by LCM of 4, 8 plus 1, because 4 and 8, one of the factor of 60. So LCM of 4, 8, that is 8 only. Step of 60 by 8 plus 1. Calculate this, you will get 8. These are number of rational terms. Number of irrational terms. Irrational terms. Total terms how many? 61 minus 8. That is equal to 53. Number of irrational terms is equal to 50. That is equal to n. But they are asking n minus 1. N minus 1 means 53 minus 1, that is 52. So which of the following is factor of n minus 1? So which is factor of 52? That is 26 only now. First option, correct. This is a very easy question. If log sin x plus log cos x is equal to minus 1, log sin x plus cos x is equal to 1 by 2, log n to the base 10 minus 1 given. See the first one, that is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a b now formula, log sin x into cos x to the base 10, that is equal to minus 1. Now sin x cos x, that is equal to 10 power minus 1, that is 1 by 10. See the another condition, logarithm of sin x plus cos x to the base 10, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log n to the base 10 minus 1 is set. 1 I am writing log 10 to the base 10. This is in the form of log a minus log b. Log n by 10 to the base 10. In front of the logarithm 1 by 2 is a cent here, this is going to power. And this is same. By comparing both sin x plus cos x, that is equal to n by 10 whole power 1 by 2. Do that, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What you will get? Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. Sin x cos x value is 1 by 10. Substitute. That is equal to n by 10. Now take the LCM. We get n value is 12. Take this LCM. Denominator 10 is going to cancel. Correct answer is third option. This is also a very, very easy question. Okay, till now who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.